Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Madison, Licking, Franklin, northern Fairfield, eastern Delaware, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:22 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Ashley to Lewis Center to southwest of Amity, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Dublin, Powell, Hilliard, Polaris, Sunbury, Worthington, Lake Dobby, Upper Arlington, Westerville, Minerva Park, Ohio State University, Easton, downtown Columbus, Hannah, Johnstown. In addition, Lewis Center, Alum Creek State Park, Olive Green, Galena, Riverly, Clintonville, New Ulm, Lincoln Village, Center Village, Huber Ridge, Marble Cliff, Valley View, Grandview Heights, Hartford and Urban Crest are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 84 and 142, Interstate 71 between mile markers 101 and 139. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado